In this video, I will show you how to disable Snap Layout Windows 11. So let's jump straight into it. Now, the Snap Layout feature can be a very handy tool on Windows 11, especially if you do a lot of multitasking and things like that. However, it can get quite annoying, especially if you're dragging windows around, as it does sometimes do this and automatically try and snap your windows, so it can get a bit annoying. Now, if you want to go ahead and disable this, what you're going to want to do from your Windows 11 desktop is come down to your taskbar at the bottom and click onto the Windows Start icon. In here, what you want to do is click onto Settings. If you don't see this here, just come up to the search box up here, type Settings, and then open up Settings underneath Best Match. Once you're in your Settings window, what you want to do now is come across to this menu on the left-hand side and click onto System. In the System window, what you want to do is scroll down until you see the option for multitasking. So you can see that's just down here, and then give that a click. And in the multitasking window, if you look at the top, we've got the Snap Windows feature. So to go ahead and disable the Snap Layout, all you need to do is simply turn the switch off, just like so. And what it's going to do, you're now going to see if I hover over the full screen icon, it's not actually going to display all the Snap templates. And we can now go ahead and move our windows around. As you can see, when I move it to the top of the screen, we don't have the Snap feature working. So that is how to disable Snap Layout Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.